by Jonita Anderson. Close your eyes and spread your wings. Make a wish and dream good dreams. Don't ever say you'll never tell, cause life is short and very fine. Just be still and take a look. Before you know it, you'll be hooked. Then walk in a build of an egg. You soon realize it was all a lie. Up you look, and then they are gone. That's all my